Okay, here's a quick video on cleaning your sensor. First pop off your lens. And then you want to go to your menu. Depending on your camera, it will be different. We're going to go down here on this one. We're going to select sensor cleaner, say OK. Hit the shutter button. It's going to lock the mirror up. And then we'll take our swab and put a couple drops of the cleaning solution. You don't want it soaking, just so it absorbs it. Just about like that. We're going to run one swipe one direction across the sensor and then another swipe directly back across. So just boom and boom. Now we're going to flip the swab over to the dry part. And again, run one direction one way and then immediately reverse it and go back. So you're going to go across and then back across with the clean one. And that is all there is to it. Put your lens back on so you don't get any more dust in. Hit your menu button, or on this one we have to click it off, and that'll release the shutter, and you're all done.